Good morning, everybody. I'm Tom.
And I'm Dom.
And welcome to a brand new video here in New York City. We arrived here at the Arlo Nomad Hotel here in Manhattan last night after we took a ferry trip. We're gonna cut back to our little journey and our arrival here at this hotel last night. If you guys do enjoy this video at any time, hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you're new around here. All right, let's go back to last night.
Here we go.
We are on St. George's Staten Island ferry headed to Manhattan.
So we just took off. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're moving on the water. And how did we end up here?
It's literally a Monday night. We're spending the night in New York. What is it, the world's largest city?
Yeah, I guess. All right, so we just got our room key here in the lobby. We're on the 20th floor.
I could be Buddy the Elf.
No, please don't. I have to pee so bad. Oh, it's clean and sealed.
Are you ready? This is a first impression.
We literally just got off the lift. So this is our room right now. We just arrived. It is 9 o'clock p.m. It's dark out, as you can see. So we definitely can't wait for tomorrow morning for the beautiful views. Oh my God, this view down. Dom, good morning.
Good morning.
Look at the views. There's the Empire State Building. You can see everything much better now, huh?
Yeah, we're literally like in the middle of everything.
I know. Oh, look, it's a little... Is that like an elevator for construction? Look how massive that building is. You can barely see the top. Hello, and welcome to the Arlo Nomad. All right, good morning, everybody. We just woke up and we wanted to give you guys a tour of our hotel room while it's daylight so you guys can see everything better. So if you look over here to your right, here is the beautiful shower, which I actually just took. It's a nice waterfall shower head and it goes all the way down. I really like how they hid the drain down there. And then if you look over here, it's 2 hair dryers and these amenity bags that they left for us. And we have this beautiful workspace slash sink slash countertop where you can wash your hands, brush your teeth, do all that. This is where I will be taking my online class this morning at 11 a.m. Welcome to the main part of the Arlo Nomad. And we are here in the main part of this hotel room. As you can see, this room is not big at all, but we're in the center of New York City in Manhattan, and space is very, very limited. But for what we paid of $117 a night, and we have floor to ceiling glass views of New York City, you cannot complain with this space, including a close-up view of the Empire State Building. Look at that. But let's give this bed a little test so you guys can see how comfortable it is. Ugh. Wow, this bed seriously is comfy. And the pillows are like so squishy too. We also have, if you look over here, we have a 40-inch or so TV where we were watching Friends all night. Since we're in New York, we had to watch Friends. And there is plenty of chargers around your bed. There's like 2 here, there's 2 over there with USBs. There's an outlet down here, so if you guys need to charge up, plenty of power banks. So last night, we had this big light going back here, but if you just want to turn that off and just use this as like maybe a reading light or like a little work light, you could do so. All right, we are on our way to hit the streets of New York and go get some breakfast. All right, so we will see you guys on the streets of New York. We are here in the busy streets of New York, going to get our breakfast here. Where are we going, Fifth Ave?
Yeah, we're going to Starbucks.
We got our Starbucks, but I got the mango refresher. It looks really pretty, actually.
Dragon fruit, it's so
Look
good.
at that. And I got a breakfast sandwich. What
And
you
I
got?
got mocha iced coffee with everything bagel.
We're heading to the rooftop. I feel like when you're in New York City, there's a Starbucks like every 5 steps.
Yeah, I plugged in the nearest Starbucks and 4 popped out within like 1,000 feet.
All right, everybody, we are technically on the 31st floor, which is the rooftop with breathtaking views. It's a wraparound porch seating area, and of course you can see the Empire State Building right there. All right, so I do apologize in advance because they are doing a lot of construction across the street and in nearby areas. There is a bar that usually is in effect, but it's not available right now. So what is available is, there are some seating, you kind of have to maneuver it yourself, but look at this glass floor. Literally insane. I'm standing on a glass floor. 30 stories high.
I kind of don't want to, oh. Oh, I just stepped on some ice and I thought it was it cracking. All right, that's my step. There you go, guys. All right, we got our Starbucks and we got some food. So we're gonna sit down up here and we are gonna, well actually we're not gonna sit down because the cushions are all wet. But look at how beautiful the views that we have here of the Empire State Building. We are 31 stories in the air, which is about 310 feet, panoramic views on this rooftop. And we're gonna do a little bit of a photo shoot after we eat. All right, everybody, we're about to check out, which is in 10 minutes. We got the hotel room all cleaned up. We're about to go hit some stores and shop a little. I don't know if I'm gonna show much of that just because it's like kind of raining outside and I don't wanna ruin my camera. Also, we really did enjoy our stay here at the Arlo Nomad. So if you guys do wanna stay here, check the link out in the description. I'll leave it down below. We booked it on Airbnb, but you can book this place on either hotels.com, Expedia, or straight off their website. We're gonna go out, have a good day, maybe grab some food, and then head back home on the ferry. All right, we're getting off the ferry. All right, everybody, we are here back in my car after we got off the ferry. Sorry we couldn't really bring you through much of the ferry. It was like really quiet. Everybody had their masks on. It was kind of crowded and we felt kind of awkward, like talking really loud while everybody was being quiet. So basically how the ferry works is it takes you from Staten Island to Manhattan or vice versa, which is what we did today. It's free. First, you got to get to the terminal. It's just like an airport terminal. The ferry runs every half hour. So we got there around 1:15 from our Lyft ride.
We waited like 15 minutes, but I think usually around like the busier times, they run within 10 to 15 minutes. And then overnight when it's less crowded, they run hourly.
It takes you across the Hudson River and you could get great views of Lady Liberty and Ellis Island, which we plan on doing a video in the future on. And we actually have a pretty funny story for you guys.
Yeah.
While we're saying this, sorry, we stopped and got Chick-fil-A. So this is why you see the chick and why we're eating.
We're starving. Sorry. Okay, so we got to Staten Island Ferry parking lot around like 7:30. We didn't know where to park, so we parked there. We paid the parking meter, which was about an 18-hour maximum, so we did that, which brought us to expire around 1:30 in the afternoon today. We didn't get there until 20 minutes after, but we were so close. We were literally about to get a ticket.
Literally on our way back to our car, I'm like, please, please, don't give me a ticket. Don't give me a ticket. On our way back to our car, I see the police guy checking all the cars, like, for their park passes. I'm like, Dom, the cop, he was literally like 8 cars away from when we first came out into the parking lot.
Yeah, so we're like
looking at all the cars. And I knew he didn't get to ours yet because it was farther back. We have to hurry up. We gotta run. Like, the cop, he's checking all the cars. Hurry up. So we're speed walking right past him. I'm like, hello, hello, hello. And then we get to our car, right? And the doors are so close to the other cars.
Jam-packed.
Literally, I'm like, Dom, hurry up, Dom. Throw your stuff in the car.
This.
And he's
trying
like,
to shove my
it was
book
like a
bag
movie.
in.
Like, I just saw his little cop hat getting closer and closer and closer.
He was quick.
I'm like, Dom, hurry up. We get in the car and I sped off. He was literally 2 cars away. We could not have timed that any better. It literally could not have gotten any closer to that.
We were sweating.
I don't know how much the fine would have been. I didn't really want to find out, but he was 2 cars away. That was a crazy intense story.
Yes. And I don't know if it's just me, but don't they look like 10 times more intimidating when they're wearing the hat?
Yep, Kim.
Seriously. So yeah, that's our story, how we almost got a ticket.
We got super lucky and I'm grateful that I did not get a ticket.
Yes.
to wrap this video up, we just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you did enjoy this video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new around here. Oh, also, we did go shopping and I did buy stuff at Puma. I don't know if you could see the bag in the back, but again, I didn't feel comfortable vlogging in there. It was pretty dead and it felt really weird. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'm Tom.
And I'm Dad.
And we're out of here.